He said, I am training for the Teton Dam Marathon, the full marathon this time, and I want you to join me. My name is Espy. I live in Rexburg, Idaho, and I have been running the Teton Dam Marathon since 2015. And in October, it was October 13th, my husband was in a car accident on his way to work, and he died at the scene. For a few months, I was just lost. I didn't know what to do, how to move forward, how to keep going, what my purpose was. It was also really hard to do it without Alan. And, that day we realized we all have to face our floods somehow. And coming together to do the Teton Dam Marathon is exactly what we needed.